So our third example says, find the values of k for which y minus 2x equals k is a tangent to the curve y equals x squared plus kx plus 5. Alright, so to answer this question, we have the curve, or let's say the line y is equal to 2x equals k, and then we have the curve y equals x squared plus kx plus 5. Now, if this line is to be a tangent, it means it should be touching that curve just at one point. So, this is a situation where we said it will have one real root. So, before we go into that, let's first of all substitute. Now, from y minus 2x equals k, we change the subjects to y. This is y is equal to 2x plus k, and then we'll substitute this into the curve. So the curve is y is equal to this part where there is y, we substitute it with 2x plus k. So we'll say 2x plus k is equal to x squared plus kx plus 5. Then we do some rearrangements. I'll take all these to the other side, so that means it will be x squared plus kx. Then if this one goes there, it will be minus 2x, and then we have the 5 there. This k, if it joins, it will be negative k. So that on the other side, we just have 0. We have the standard form for a quadratic expression. So we can say this is x squared plus. Here, we factor out the x. It will give us the k minus 2. And then that x, we can write it at the end. Then we say plus 5 minus k is equal to 0. So from here, we are saying if it's a tangent, the discriminant has to be 0, and the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac, which should be equal to 0. So we pick our a from there. It's the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. And then our b is this whole part, k minus 2. Our c is simply 5 minus k. So we now put these in the formula there. So we are going to say our p is k minus 2. It has to be squared. And then we are saying minus here. For our a is simply 1. And then our c is 5 minus k. And this should now be equal to 0. So we expand this one. If we expand, we have k squared minus 4k and then plus 4. Then here, that gives us minus 4 times 1 times 5, that's minus 20. Then negative 4 times negative k is positive 4k. Then we say this is equal to 0. From here, this one and that one will give us 0, so this will be out. 4 minus 20 is simply negative 16. So we are having k squared minus 16 is equal to 0. And then from there, we can solve this equation. We can factorize and say k minus 4 by a difference of 2 squares, then k plus 4. And this gives us 0. So the first value is k is equal to 4, or k is equal to negative 4. So these are the two values when that line is a tangent to the given curve. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and share.